Hello, I welcome you all. The problem reads the 10 megagrams barge B supports a 2 megagrams automobile A. If someone drives the automobile to the other side of the barge, determine how far the barge moves. Neglect the resistance of the water. So even here we're going to use the principle of momentum, okay, which is described mathematically as shown, right? Okay, so we are saying in state 1 MA by VA 1 plus MB, which is the barge VA 1, is equal to MB MA VA 2 plus MB VB 2. Of course, so in this particular state the vehicle is moving, and then in this state, in the second state, we are saying there is no motion, right? Okay, so the mass here, the mass of the automobile is 2000 by VA 1, okay, plus a 10,000 VB1 equal to 0. So we have one equation. Of course, we expect this motion, so this is our reference like this. Okay, so we have something like this. Alright, so this is our y, this is our x. Okay, so we do have one equation here, which we can later on write as just 2 VA is just equal to minus 10 VB1. Okay, if we were to cancel out the zeros. Right. So what do we do now? Since the question is to find how far the barge moves, we can use the principle of relative motion, right? Okay, so integrating this, of course, with respect to time, this just becomes so let's write this in terms of the displacement, integrating, okay, with respect to time, time, we'll just have a 2s A1 is equal to minus 10s B1. Remember when we were integrating this, okay, from displacement to velocity and so on. Alright, so we do have this now in terms of displacement. The principle of relative motion. So we know that motion of A relative to B is equal to 40, and this is equal to SA minus SB, and I'll just indicate it also in the first state like that. Okay, therefore we have 40 equal to SA minus SB, right? Then here our SA, if we made SA subject to the formula, this just becomes a minus SB, okay, this just becomes, where is minus, like so, SB1. Okay, so feeding this here, we'll have the following. We are going to have the 40 is equal to minus 5 SB1, then minus, like so. Our SB therefore is just going to be equal to minus, SB is just going to be equal to minus 6.6667 meters. Okay, and our SA, this is just going to be equal to, so that becomes 40 minus 6.6667, so this becomes 33.3333 meters. So writing this properly, this just becomes a 6.67 meters in this direction, and our SA, this just becomes equal to 33.33 meters. Alright, I think this is about it. We have calculated how far the barge moves and how far the car also moves. Okay, so I hope this particular video was helpful, and if it was, give me a thumbs up, like my video, continue subscribing and liking my channel. Bye bye, and I'll see you in my next screencast.